There's a hidden bias that will 100% keep you poor as an investor in the cryptocurrency markets. It's a bias that's going to eat away at your brain, convincing you to buy high and sell low again and again and again until you're absolutely broke and broken. You'll be out on the street begging for dog coins under a bridge before you know it. It gets dark real fast, guys, real fast. It's called recency bias. And basically, recency bias gives greater importance to the most recent events in the market. In this case, this is seen most clearly in crypto markets via price action. It is what leads most investors to act like this. When the price is up, everybody wants to gain. Everybody wants to bet on the winners because the recent price action has been good. When prices are down, everyone wants to run away. Everyone is scared and panicking, and they don't want to buy crypto. And if you want proof that this meme is 100% true, then remember this, very important. Great lesson in the market. On the day that Bitcoin hit the peak price of $73,900, Bitcoin ETFs saw $1 billion of net inflows. On the day that Bitcoin hit $56,000, it saw $500 million of net outflows. I want to help you protect yourself from the two extremes of recency bias that lead people to making these exact mistakes. The first, of course, is when the price is low, backed up by critical information that you need to remember when the market is dumping. And the second is when the price is pumping. Recency bias can screw you up in both situations, so watch until the end to make sure you get all the valuable info. This video could literally save you thousands or maybe even millions of dollars one day. So the price of crypto is down. Bitcoin down 25%. Your altcoins down 50 to 60%. Things are bad, and they've been bad for a little while now. The timeline's filled with fear, doom posting. It's probably over. You're afraid. Every time you turn to social media, everyone's freaking out. Crypto did, in fact, turn out to be the big scam that everybody warned it was going to be. Why didn't the number just keep going up? I bought and then it went down. It's been down for weeks only. I better get out now before it gets worse. Besides, I'm a smart bear now. Gonna get this market. Just because the market's sitting at critical support, that doesn't matter. Support's dumb anyway. Technical analysis. This is going way lower, so I'm gonna buy back later when the coins are cheaper. I'm a genius. I got this. Except, you're probably not. You're probably not. Sorry. During a bull run, expect major pullbacks that will make you want to puke. All this emotional stuff we just talked about, it's normal. You're gonna go through it. All right. If you want major top signals that show the end of a market, then go look up Lark Davis top signals. I made a great video on it. Until you see a lot of that stuff happening, it's probably not the end of the market cycle. So what is happening here in this situation? Well, quite simply, because price action has been bad recently, you now believe that that will continue into the foreseeable future, when in fact, little has changed with the assets themselves. This is something that might crack a lot of people's brains. In fact, when the prices dump, you're offered a better risk reward time to buy. The fact is, higher prices equal greater risk. Lower prices often present lower risk when buying. But most investors do the exact opposite. They like to sell at times of opportunity, and they like to buy at times of high risk. But I want to zoom in on the little has changed with the assets, except the sentiment and price part of the recency bias, because I think this is really important to understand as well. This is critical to understand when dips happen. But before we dive into that, I just wanted to take a quick moment to let you know about the Wealth Master newsletters. My newsletter, weekly crypto newsletter, absolutely awesome. Best damn newsletter in the crypto business, if I do say so myself, and I am kind of biased, but it is awesome. Every issue, we try to just jam pack it full of opportunity and alpha for you. We talk about altcoins, airdrops, meme coins, charts, NFTs, DeFi, and much, much more. You can join our 125,000 plus weekly readers for free by using the link down below in the description or the pinned comment over on X. So, fundamentals. Here's something crazy to consider. Everything in crypto is substantially better than it was 4 years ago when the total market cap of crypto was much higher. Take Solana, for example. The unit price at the time of recording has not hit a new high price yet, despite the fact that basically everything about Solana is better than when it hit its all-time high unit price. There's better dApps, there's a bigger ecosystem, better partners, better technology. I know it still goes offline once in a while. What are you going to do, man? Solana. Big upgrades coming soon like Fire Dancer. And then you expand that thought out to really the broader crypto market. The games are better than ever before. The meme coins are actually better than ever before. AI is taking off in a massive way. Real world assets, layer twos are pumping. Base is bringing 120 million people on chain. Bitcoin ETFs are here in the USA. They've landed in Hong Kong. We're going to see them in Australia and South Korea and the UK really soon. Banks are rolling out Bitcoin services. Bitcoin network is literally stronger than it's ever been before. Bitcoin DeFi is taking off. Memes are taking off. The list just goes on and on and on. The fundamentals of the market have literally never been better, and they're only going to keep getting better as we grind our way towards 3 billion users by 2030. Look, I could keep going and list 50 more positive things about the cryptocurrency market that show that the fundamentals are actually getting better and better by the day, but I think you get the point. Now, let's try to understand this. Recency bias near the top, because this is probably the most dangerous of all. Failing to buy dips, okay, sure, not the end of the world. Failing to sell the top, that's bad shit, because at the top, there's going to be weeks of insane price action. The recent price action will have you convinced that you're a genius. The market's only going to keep going up. You nailed it. You're going to bet more. It's time to bet more. You look at the numbers on your screen. You imagine all the cool stuff you're going to buy. It's time to remortgage the house. This is it. You made it. You're the guy. Okay. You're the exception, not the rule. It's up only from here. Time to buy a boat. Let's go boat shopping. This is a time of maximum danger, because this kind of euphoria in winning will trick you into ignoring the reality. The fact that the bear market is just around the corner and that you are about to lose everything. The recency bias is making you too optimistic based on that recent price action. You have to remember to take your profits before the market takes them away for you, because it will. Oh, it will. Trust me. Been there, done that. Because while the fundamentals have never been better for crypto, the hard truth remains that when a risk-off environment comes, and it will come, due to all the macro stuff, whatever, that this market's going to take a big, fat, giant, stinking dump. The day will come when it's not just a normal correction in a bull market. It'll come when it's the end of the bull market. That time, by my opinion, still likely at least a year away, probably more like 18 months, but it will come. And when it does, you'll need to fight your emotions. You will need to ignore your recency bias that, it's been up only recently, it's going to keep going up forever. No, it won't. You need to click and sell, okay? Click that damn sell button. Do it for your future and for your family. If you don't, then those profits will be lost like tears in rain. But remember, sell into greed, sell into euphoria. Do not sell into fear, anxiety, and panic. That is how you lose, okay? I want you to win. I want you to make money. I want you to have the financial freedom that you're probably so desperately seeking by even coming into this market in the first place. I want you to secure your wealth. I want you to live the life, sail away on the yacht with the beautiful wife and your beautiful kids, financially secure. That life is possible for you. But if you keep screwing it up emotionally, psychologically, by FOMOing in and panic selling, you're not going to win. You have to think counterintuitive to the herd, because most of the herd behaves the way that I've described in this video. And if you want to do the opposite, then you have a good chance of winning, because it's really the only chance you have winning in this market. Thanks for watching.